So here we have a settlement crack in the building. Building's been here about 2-3 years, just from the settlement and maybe the extreme weather conditions we've had, cold and hot, a crack has formed. So we're going to talk about how to fill the crack. The first thing we want to do is, it's all about surface area to get a decent bond. So you're going to use a standing knife and just open the crack up. And this will just give us a better surface area for the filler to bond to. Once the crack's been opened up, you need to brush out any loose material, get rid of the dust, and then it's a good idea to get a good bond to use a little sprayer. Just squirt it in there, that just flushes out any of the dust, kills some of the suction. What we'll do, we'll leave it 5-10 minutes so it's not running wet, and then when we come back we'll be able to start filling. Right, we're going to use some Secil finishing render. As it's a line product, gloves and goggles are essential. And with normal plastering, you plaster from the top down. Obviously we want gravity on our side on a vertical crack, so we're going to start from the bottom. You want to mix up the finishing render so it's a good sort of thick consistency and it will sit on the small tool. You want to push it right to the back and fill up the whole crack. Oops. Obviously, once painted, you don't want the crack sitting proud because it will show up quite badly. So if you just scrape off any excess grit around the edge. If you do this as you go, it's a lot easier rather than letting it dry. And then I'll grab a brush and some clean water. And then, as you go, you can keep the edge clean, just to stop any build-up. There we go. And we just keep working up vertically, working into what we've already put into the crack, just to give us some compression there. Right, so now the crack's filled, the edges are cleaned down. It's had a little bit of time to pull in or dry out a little bit. So we're going to use just a damp sponge, not wet. It just takes off any little excess bits and brings out the texture of the aggregate just to match the rest of the wall.